Hi, my kids. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn's Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will resume the rest of the lesson that I started last video. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Last class, we know how to write the small letters of capital letters. Here is capital A. Here is we have capital A and small a. There is capital B and small b, capital C and small c, capital D and small d, capital M and small m, capital H and small h, capital O and small o, capital G and small g, capital F and small f, capital E and small e. Here is boy. Which one is boy? This one. Here's bus, this one. Okay, let's go to another one. Here is capital M and small m, capital O and small o, capital F and small f, capital H and small h, capital A and small a, capital C and small c, capital E and small e, capital I and small I, capital B and small b, capital S and small s. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is we have capital. Here is Y and Y, U and U. Here is V and V. This one, W and W, X and X. Here we have G. Here is the letter, and I select the suitable letter by the suitable letter here. C. Which one is C? This one. A. This is the suitable letter. F in the middle. E in the first one. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is a capital letter and small letter. Let's do it. Here is small letter S, T, capital K and small k, capital E and small e, capital F and small f, capital M and small m, capital H and small h, capital O and small o, capital V and small v, capital W and small w, capital N and small n, capital X and small x, capital R and small r, capital C and small c, capital U and small u. Capital U and small u, okay? Capital U and small u. Let's go to another one. Here is we have, what is this? It's what, this is what, this is apple. All of us know it. This is bus, this is dog, this is cat, okay? Let's go to another one, another exercise. I will leave this to do it by yourself as a homework. Let's count this. Let's count here. This one. Here is counting and writing numbers. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is what? Here is here. I write it 4 here. Here is 2, 1 and 2. Here is what? Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 5. Here is 3. Here is 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here is 1. Referring to ear. No, it's not 5. It's 1 because he's referring to ear. Here we have 2 ears. Here it will be here. Here is ear. Here is 2. We have 2 ears. We have 2 ears. Have 2 ears. Okay. 2 hands. Here is what? Here is 4. Have 4. Let's go to another one. Let's go to, I stop here today. I stop here in this part today. Let's go to our story. Let's go to our story. The story today is about what? Is about the lion and the mouse. Let's know what the mouse do with lion. Here is, lion was fast asleep. Okay. Something tickled his nose. This one tickled his nose like this. This is the sound of the lion. Lion, wake up. So after the tickled of his nose, the lion wake up. A mouse. How dare you wake me? A lion roared. Lion roared. This is the sound of that lion. He raised his bow like this. Bow like this. Please don't kill me, begged the mouse. Begged the mouse. Maybe I can save your life too one day. Lion laughed. You are too small to save anyone. Okay, so the lion is silly from the mouse that he can save, that the mouse can save the lion. It's not logic. It's not by logic. Let's go to another one. The next day, lion walked into a trap. Help. So trapped the lion wanted the help from the mouse. The mouse heard him. Don't worry, I can help you. She nibbled enough the ropes. This is nibbled, and because I have teeth, and nibbled these ropes, okay? And lion was free. I'm sorry, little mouse, said lion. I was wrong. Even little friends can be good friends, okay? By this story we end from our video. I hope you enjoy and benefit from our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.